This XT20 knife tower tail landline HT300 high-grade castings are tempered at the same time. The optical machine weighs more than 1.3 tons, stable and solid. Be configured according to user requirements via new KKND, GSK, and other systems. Equipped with Taiwan spindle unit, accuracy up to 5 microseconds. 45 inclined bed layout, easy to cut. X-axis travel 170 mm, Z-axis travel 300 mm, tail seat travel 200 mm. Equipped with 8-station servo tower, fast tool change, precise and stable. Cerebral, cutter tower, tail, SEAT, long axis processing in one go. Welcome new and old users to consult.